Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yogi Ridwan Habibi, and I'm the student of postgraduate Islamic Universities of State Tridentine Lampung. And then I'm the participant of the International Postgraduate Conference on Islamic Studies IPCIS 2023. I will present to you all my paper under the title Sharia Banking Supervision in National Legal Corridor, Normative Study of Sharia Economic Law. First of all, as we know that Indonesia is country with the largest Muslim population in the world. With the largest population in Indonesia, of course, from several regulations related to the economic activities of existing Muslim. As with Sharia banks, several regulations were created for matters relating to banking that we'll discuss on this paper. Introduction. Islamic banking of Indonesia has shown its existing, the vaccinating, the global market, the role of Islamic banking in supporting economic development. Especially in Indonesia, is very positive as a Sharia banking institution. Islamic banking model are agreed in demand by the people of Indonesia who are predominantly Muslim. Islamic banking continues to improve in the face of the increasing difficult economic condition. In dealing with the development, with the development of Sharia banking, the government is expected to be more active in supervising and fostering Sharia banking in accordance with applicable regulation. The government, as the holder of power, is fully responsible for maintaining and supervising economic growth, especially Sharia-based one. This is done to create the conducive situation for the nation economy, one of which is supported by Islamic banking. Institutions formed by the government have an important role in maintaining economic stability, including in the supervision and development of Islamic banking. On this paper, I use the several method. The first method is the normative legal research. The focus of the analysis of statutory norm as a positive law. This research approach is the logic of deduction, which is prospective, namely studying the legal provision and using existing norms. Normative legal research is research that views law as a system of norms. This system of norm, including principle, norms, rules contained in law and regulation, court decision, agreement, and the doctrine of the teaching. The object of normative legal research is always related to law as a system of norms of rule used to provide perspective justification for legal events. The norm system can simply be interpreted as a system of rules on rules. Next, we will jump to this research and discussion. Islamic banking developed aim to direct regulate the activities this bank so that they comply with the principle of Islamic economics, which including institutional aspect, ownership, management, business activity, rewarding, and other aspect related to bank operation. Through this guidance, it is hoped that the Sharia bank can carry out their business activity in compliance with applicable Sharia principle. Sharia banking supervision is also an integral part of the review of Islamic economic law. Bank Indonesia, as the banking supervisory authority, has the authority and responsibility to supervise Sharia bank. The supervision is carried out with the aim of ensuring the compliance of Sharia bank with the applicable law and regulation. Including Sharia economic principle, Bank Indonesia has the authority to set regulation, grant license, revoke license, and impose sanction of Sharia bank in accordance with applicable regulation. Next, conclusion. Pursuant to Article 29, Paragraph 1 of Act Number 23 of 1999 concerning Bank Indonesia, Bank Indonesia is responsible for carrying out coaching and the supervision activities for bank. In addition, Bank Indonesia also has the authority to stipulate banking regulation that include the precautionary principle, this prudential principle aim to provide guideline in conducting banking business activity with the aim of creating a sound banking system. In conclusion, banking guidance and supervision is an integral part of the legal review in Sharia economic. Through an appropriate legal framework, guidance and supervision of Sharia banking can run effectively and efficiently, so as the create of banking system that is sound and in accordance with Sharia economic principle. For several questions, that is my presentation for today. On my paper, and for several questions, you can contact me on my email, my personality email, in yogiwarsat@gmail.com. Thank you for the day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.